My name is Cameron Brown. I'm a level 3 public service student here with NPTC group of colleges, based here at Llandarcy. We are here today to celebrate the official launch of the cadets in the colleges. As you can see behind me, it is in full flow. It was a very significant day for myself and another cadet as well, because we were the first people to get promoted to the rank of Lance Corporal. The first people in the history of the CCF so far in NPTC colleges. I think, well, for me, it's a great privilege to be, to be one of the first people to be a Lance Corporal with the CCF, with NPTC group. I chose to do the CCF because I thought it was a great way to enhance my CV with all the activities that we do in cadets, such as weapon handling and co-steering. I thought it's a great way to enhance my self skills, the skills I have myself. I'm hoping to join the police in the future, and this is a great thing to show on the CV. It shows discipline. It shows you turn up to what you're dressing, so it shows that you've got all these key factors, and I think that it's a brilliant thing for anyone to do, really. I started last year, and when I started we had a bit of an open day. The lecturers in the college told me about it, and I asked a few questions about it, and then they said, well, why don't you just come along, see what it's like? And I said yes, and I've loved it ever since. If you are struggling with personal development or your confidence, or even making friends, this is a great place, and it's a great environment to be able to improve your confidence, make friends, form relationships with people that you've never met before, and ultimately become lifelong friends.